The checklist section looks good, but still we need to add a little bit padding. So go back to the builder. So you have to click the column section, and in the padding section, let's apply 15 to the top, 15 to the right, 15 to the bottom, and to the left. So now check the changes. Now you can see it's look more better than before. So you can see we're proceeding step by step. So come back to the Avada page builder. So now we are going to add another container. So click here, add container. So now we are going to use another design for the container. So let's use this one, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3, two columns. So in this section we are going to use title, and in this section we'll use an image. So let's first use a title here. Search for title, click here, the title is added. So make it center, and as I have already told you that there is a two lines by default to the left and right hand side of this title bar. So first of all we have to remove it. Come to the separator and choose none. There we go, none. So here just add content. So let's change the text. So I have already, so how do you I'll upload all this content in the description of the video. You can choose and use your in your websites. So here how do you fit into this? So let's come to the this section, add element. In this section we are going to add an image. Click here, and I would add an image, this one. Click here, you can see it's look good, but we need a little bit adding margin. So come this section and come down. Let's add 20, 40 margin. Let's keep it 40 now for now, and we will modify again if required. Click save. As you can see it's look more beautiful. So a little bit margin to the container. Click here, and let's margin, let's keep it 50. 40. Let's check it. Good. So also add padding at the top, right, bottom, and left. It's look good. After adding this, let's add another container. So click here. We can also add container here and nested container, but as we are going step by step, this is a basic, so I'm not going to these advanced things, so that you can learn easily. Now we would add another container. So click container, add container. So now we will choose another design. So let's choose this one, 2 by 3 R and 1 by 3. So in the first column we are going to use an image. So click here, add an element, choose an image. So if we are going to upload an image. So let's choose this one. Here you can see the image is added. Now in this column we would add our content. Click. So let's go for the title. So add your content here. So I have already chosen content. You can choose yourself. So let's choose 30. Make it 40. And 35 is good. Let's take in preview. It's look good. Let's okay 40. Let's see how 40 looks like. It's good. So after doing this, we'll add another section here. Add separator. Click here and let's change separator style. Single line, and in the design tab, separator width 70, and in alignment choose left, and border 3 pixels, and separator color we would just use yellow. Okay, now let's see it in preview. It's look good, and after that we'll add padding and other things. So after this we are going to add another text element. So search for text, click text block, and add your content here. So I'll copy here and paste over. You can double click here and paste over here as well. So here you can see text is added, but I would reduce it. Let's reduce it. Here we go. Let's check in preview. It's look good. Just remove one line. Need content. Let's change it a little bit. 16 font size, and letter spacing 1. Okay, it's good. A little bit margin is needed, and let's add a little bit margin in separator. Click separator in design tab, and let's add margin to the bottom 50. Okay, looks good. It's look good. So as you can see a little bit, uh, we need to add a little bit in margin in this section as well. Click option, and let's minus 20, or let's minus 40. Okay, now you can see it looks more good. So after doing this, let's add another section. Let's proceed. So I would add another section here. Click this one and add a column, one column. So I will choose a separator, section separator here. Click section separator, and let's choose wave. design tab, let's make it -60. Increase the margin 90, or we can choose 110 -110. Let's see. Just increasing a little bit, -130. Check it now. Okay, it's look good. Click save, and let's see preview how it looks like. So you can check responsive of its website. So click mobile. Let's see how it views on mobile. You can see it's look good, and in mobile view, okay, it's good. In mobile, there is a little bit. It's changing in mobile. Options. Let's decrease its margin and come to margin. When it is 90. 90. Now it's look good. And in the, let's keep it at the center. So edit it. So margin, it's left 100 or 200. It's 200. Now it's look good on mobile view as well. So you can see the website is responsive, and it's good on mobile view as well. So click save, and again come to the desktop view. So also separator should be removed. So in preview we can see the lines to the both sides of this title. So let's remove it. In design, come down, and separator, it's none. So I think it's in this section. Let's check whether we have removed or not. But we haven't removed the lines, default lines from this section, from this title as well. Let's remove it. Click done, save.